Hello everyone, we are from Group 4 and today we will present our terrarium project. In this presentation, we will explain about first, what is a terrarium, second, what is a terrarium useful for, third, typical terrarium, fourth, our terrarium including the result after 1 week, and the last one is what we have learned. Before that, I will introduce our member. First, Bitha Aulya, second, Ciwambha, third, Bagus, and the last one is Yohana. To begin our presentation, we will first explain what is a terrarium. This part will be presented by Ciwambha. Please go ahead.
Okay, what is a terrarium? A terrarium is sealed or open container where plants grow in a self-sustained ecosystem. And in this time, we will make a bioactive terrarium. And what is a bioactive terrarium? A bioactive terrarium is an enclosed habitat for raising animal or plant for observation or often research. And next, what is a terrarium useful for? A terrarium is useful for several purposes, especially because mimic a natural self-sustained ecosystem, like a naturalistic habitat for animals, safe cleaning system, education tools, or stress reduction or decoration.
There are two main types of terrarium, closed and open. A closed terrarium has a lid that traps moisture, creating a humid and warm environment like a mini rainforest. It's perfect for tropical plants and needs very little watering because the moisture stays inside. In contrast, an open terrarium is exposed to air, so it stays drier and has better airflow. It's great for plants like succulents, but it does require more care, like occasional watering, keeping the plants clean, and making sure it doesn't get too humid. This is our terrarium. Inside, we added moss, wild plants, and small animals like grasshoppers and mealworms. Together, they create a mini ecosystem that stays moist and almost takes care of itself.
Now, we will show you a video of how we made our terrarium. Please watch the process from start to finish.
Before starting the terrarium making process, we first prepare the necessary tools and materials. First step, we put in gravel at the bottom part of the terrarium. We use a mesh barrier to separate the drainage layer from the soil mix. After that, we added active charcoal on top of the layer of stones to help absorb odors and keep the moisture clean in the terrarium. After the base layer is completed, we move on to the important part, which is the soil. Use loose soil has good drainage. We add worms to help decompose and enrich the soil. We also add some small plants that we find around our environment like moss and some other wild plants. As the final step, we added grasshoppers and mealworms to complete the ecosystem. These animals help maintain environmental balance and make the terrarium more biologically active. And this is the final result of our terrarium.
Okay, after we watch the video of how we made our terrarium, this is our terrarium after 1 week. The animals inside our terrarium are still alive and active. We regularly spray water to maintain humidity and keep the environment suitable for both the plants and the animals.
Next is what have we learned. First, we learned how to build a small, efficient plant system. It involves optimizing space and research, such as choosing the right planting media and containerizing size. Secondly, we learned how to manage the research effectively by measuring and combining material like soil, sand, activated charcoal, and decoration to keep the terrarium balanced, not too moist and not too dry. Lastly, we learned how important continuously improvement by observing plant growth and adjusting the conditions like light and humidity, just as industrial engineering, where systems are constantly evaluated and refined for better performance. Thank you.